Hello friends, welcome to Babu's Kitchen. Today I would like to share with you recipe for making suji ka halwa. Suji, it is called semolina in English and it is made from wheat. So I think you all have enjoyed Diwali, and if you have not enjoyed, please try making this recipe suji ka halwa and enjoy it. So for making suji ka halwa, you will need suji. This is semolina, some sugar, some milk, and 3/4 tablespoon of ghee. So now I will start. So I have added 3/4 tablespoon of ghee into a kadai, and I have let it for heating. So once it is hot, we will roast our semolina in this ghee till it turns brown. So I will add, I think now my oil is or ghee is hot. I will add semolina. Please lower the flame, and we will continue mixing them. So you see now it is white in color. So we will cook till it turns brown. So it will give a good smell. At that time you will be able to know that it is done. And side by side I have kept milk for boiling. So if you have dry fruits, that is almonds, kaju, kismis, you can add them. So right now I don't have, so I am not adding them. Suji ka halwa is our Indian traditional dessert, and it is served as prasad in temples. Please continue mixing this mixture. Now you can see that it has started becoming somewhat brown, and it will give a good aroma of suji and ghee. So I think it's not done yet. I will roast it for some more time. The smell is too good. Now you can see that it has turned slightly brown, so now it is roasted perfectly and it is giving a good smell. So it is the perfect time to add sugar. So I will add sugar now. So it is about half a cup of sugar. You can add depending upon your sweet buds. And now I will add milk. This is boiling milk, so you have to be careful while adding. You can also use water if you don't have milk, but with milk it becomes much more tasty. So please be careful while adding milk. This suji will be doubled or tripled in volume once we add milk. So and it will become solid after some time. Mix it properly so that there will be no lumps in it, and you can see it has started to become thick. So after some time it will become thicker, and then our suji is ready. Now you can see it has turned into a solid paste, and our suji is ready now. So you can enjoy it. So please try making suji yourself and share your experiences with us. Thank you. Bye.